I'm here today to talk about single-use plastic pollution. The use of single-use plastics is a growing problem in the United States. Wildlife is negatively impacted with these plastics when these plastics are introduced into the environment. Single-use plastics are items made for just that, one use, like grocery bags, diapers, disposable water bottles, plastic straws, styrofoam cups, and many other items used in the food industry. Plastic debris enters the ecosystem through parking lots and highway drains. They then enter small creeks and canals that lead downstream and into the ocean. There are many points along the way that wildlife can be introduced to these plastic debris before it even reaches the ocean. Evidence of this can be seen if you just take a minute and look around you and your surroundings. There are many different types of animals affected by single-use plastic pollution, such as squirrels, deer, ducks, seagulls, turtles, and eventually all marine life. Plastics do not break down quickly in the environment and can negatively impact the wildlife in that area. The average American family takes home at least 1,500 plastic shopping bags a year. According to Waste Management, only 1% of these plastic bags are returned for recycling. Since a large portion of single-use plastics are not recycled, marine litter is the main cause of death of many sea turtles. Over 100 million marine animals die each year due to single-use plastic pollution in the ocean. Many of the single-use plastics that are littered in the environment get mistaken for food. The wildlife ends up consuming it, and this can not only make them sick, but also makes them feel full without consuming any nutrients. The main problem with single-use plastics in the ecosystem that is never completely decomposes. The plastic particles will get broken down over time and still have a big negative impact on marine wildlife. Over time, a single plastic bottle can break up into over 10,000 pieces of microplastic, which can contaminate our seafood population. The vast majority of single-use plastics never make it to being recycled. So that leaves 30 million tons of plastic to potentially enter our natural ecosystem. There are states that are already implementing ways to change how consumers view single-use plastics. This creates a promising future for the Florida area in managing this emerging problem for the marine ecosystem. If the local governments become more aware of the issue, they can follow the lead of other states and create change. Many businesses have committed to reducing their footprint regarding single-use plastics by using recycled materials and containers, utensils, and straws. Thanks for listening, and start recycling today. References are Parsons, baysoundings.com, local experts highlight danger single-use plastics, M. Corbett, reducing marine pollution from single-use plastics, and biologicaldiversity.org. Thank you.